How to activate Santander Bank debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Santander Bank debit card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, simply search for Activate Santander Bank debit card on the web browser. After that, let's just head over to this, activating a new card. And right here, you can see the process on how you can do that. So you can get a debit card, and after you do that, you can now simply activate it. To activate the card, you can use the digital assistant called Sandy. You can open up your mobile banking or online banking and click on Chat with Us. So you can open up your online banking, you can log in into your account, and finally tap on Chat with Us. After you do that, you can then move ahead and ask to activate your credit card and follow the steps. So the Sandy, that is the digital assistant, will basically ask you all the information that it needs. You'll need to give it their information, and after that, they will activate the card for you. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.